ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಇವತ್ತು 19 ಜೂನ್ 2024. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಈ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಗೆ. ಓಪನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಜಂಬೋ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್, ಅನಿಲ್ ಕುಂಬ್ಳೆ. Anil Kumble was born on October 17, 1970 in Bengaluru. He began playing cricket in the streets of Basavanagudi in Bengaluru. Later, he joined the Young Cricketers Club. He started playing first class cricket in 1989. He is also a qualified mechanical engineer. Anil began playing test matches in 1990. In the match against England, he took 3 wickets in 43 overs with 7 maiden overs. He has taken 619 test wickets, the third largest in test. Go to page number 3. History, page number 3 open madri. In 1999, Kumble set a new record by taking all 10 wickets in single innings while playing against Pakistan. He is the first Indian cricketer to achieve this. He has been honored with the Arjuna Award and the Padma Shri by the Government of India. The Government of Karnataka has honored him by naming a roundabout in Bengaluru as the Anil Kumble Circle. Anil Kumble served as the captain of the Indian Test team before he retired. He lives in Bengaluru with his wife Chetana and their 3 children. ಇವರು ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿರೋರು ಅನಿಲ್ ಕುಂಬ್ಳೆ ಸರ್. ಈ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಓದಿರಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು, ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬೈಪಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.